Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls on your earbuds Philips. To call voice assistant, you should press and hold on the play pause button on your left earbud. So just press and hold it. And now, as you can see, Siri is awake, so it worked. Now let's go to the music. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time on this play pause button. So press on it, and I just pause the song, press again, and I play song. To increase the volume, use volume up button, what located on your right earbud, right here, look like a plus, press on it, and I increase, let's make it again, and I again increase the volume. To lower it, use minus button, so press on it, and as you can see it worked. To play a next track, just press and hold on the volume up button. So press and hold, and it worked. To play previous track, just press and hold at the minus button. And it also worked. Also, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time at the play pause button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!